Hello, and let's have some tea. Welcome to another session. This one is intended for week two. I would call this a special talk because I'm going to be explaining one of your requirements both for GB1, and that's a general biology one, and practical research two. So, tanang subjects nga gihandulan nako mo apply ni siya. And this is about peer evaluation. This is supposed to be a blind peer evaluation. So, dili mo makabalo. The intention is dili mo makabalo kung unsa or pilay girate sa inyong kauban sa inyong performance. No? I am doing this because daghan sa ato ang activity, especially for both biology and research, group activity gini siya, no? I would want to give you equal rating on that one. However, ang best good nga mo decide ana is ang inyong kauban. Of course, I have been teaching for quite some time and I would know that some of the members would not perform really well or mutabang sa inyuhang gipatrabaho. So at least, I would say nga medyo at least no, mapatas ang ato ang paghatag sa grado para sa tanan. So again, this is gonna be a blind peer evaluation. Um, However, I might give more power to your leader kay sila may mag-collect sa inyuhang peer evaluation. Now, asa man nyo isulat? I will give you the format and you can write this on any paper. You can do this on a one half crosswise or kung daghan kay kag suwaton, di one whole na lang ni nga papel na. This is a peer evaluation and self reflection. So let me just share my screen. This format was used during my study at the University of the Philippines, Open University. Yun siyang nagamit. Kaya daghan mi og collaborative activity. So this one is peer evaluation and self-reflection form. No? So let me just move this up. All right. So peer evaluation and self-reflection for evaluator, that's going to be you. Don't forget to write the subject, whether it is for general biology 1. And of course, ang inyuhang grupo. I believe that we have finalized already your group members and your groupings, both for the two subjects. Write the name of each group members in a separate column. We have the columns down here for each person. Kada usa, kada membro. So kung naamoy pila ka membro ka? Lima, no? So, inyo nang isulat dira. 1, 2, 3, 4. Upat ra. Kay, lima man mo, ikaw may evaluator. So, upat ra mo hang i-ratean. So, you will have to rate only 4 person. Okay? What are the scale? 1, strongly disagree. Dili ka uyon ani. 2, strongly kusog nga dili ko gana dili jud ni siya dili ni siya nani. Number 2, okay okay lang. Okay, 3, inani ni siya. And then 4, yes, he is really good or he is really performing on these areas. No? Yes, mao ni ang score. So, ang pinakaubos is 1. Of course, ang pinakataas na score is 4. No? So, for example, kasigi mo kuhag 1 or basin, dili gid mo graduhan kay wala mo kuan. Then yes, I would allow that one. Zero ang inyong ibutang dira. Wa jud mo score sa inyong activity nga to ang evaluate. So again, I would have to put 0. Nothing, no contribution on this one. So this one would be 0 to 4. Okay. Now, unsa nga evaluation area. Let me just make it bigger para mabasa natong tanan. So number 1, contributes meaningfully to group discussion. Meaning kada discussion, nagit siya idea kay, pwede kayo na maglamit imong idea. Asa ta magkuha o pond? Mo volunteer dayon siya. Pond water. Diri sa mo kay kasigi kong pangihi sa likod. Lami kay ni sa atong imong specimen. Okay? Uy, bay, asa man ta mag-research bay? Ato to sa balay bay kay okay kayo tong mo kay napod bi internet, no? Okay, then definitely contributes meaningfully to group discussions. Okay kayo siya. And then you will have to give the highest, which is 4. Okay, number 2, completes assigned work on time. Bay, ikaw, ani, okay na na. Humana na. Wala na. Na? Okay. Wa pa gini gisugo na nagihatag. Unsa may atong ihatag? Kung napay labaw sa 4, okay, tagaan atong labaw sa 4, no? Completes assigned work on time. Gitagaag trabaho ugma, pagkaugma ang deadline gihatag din pagkaugma, then that's a very good group member. Completes assigned work on time. Number 3, prepares work in a quality manner. So manang quality be. Okay, lami kaayo ang trabaho. Gipatrabaho nato og pandesal. Ang resulta kay chocolate cake. Mas lami kayo. Kay pandesal ang ipabuhat. Uy, chocolate cake man gihatag. Uy, alperting lami. Ani tagaan ko ni G's. Ani be? Okay, prepares work in a quality manner. Okay na? Okay. Kung unsa to inyong gipangayo, kung pareha or labaw pa sa gihatag, that's really very good quality manner. Number 4, demonstrates a cooperative and supportive attitude. Alabay ka ng wala ra ba may kuan diri, gamit diri? Ay, okay ra na ba? Sige, ako'y dalaan na. Okay. Pay ka ng bukat ra ba kini kung dalon. Pwede ko nimo tab. Sige ba wala ko. Okay, kayo tabangan ti kana, no? Cooperative and supportive. Sige yung tabang, bahalag wala kinahanglan na mo tabang lang gid siya. Okay, and that's a very good quality of a group member. Demonstrates a cooperative and supportive attitude. Then you give it the highest score, then that will be 4. And the last one, contributes significantly to the success of the project because he was able to do all things 1, 2, 3, 4. Then definitely he contributed significantly. For number 5, then you have to give that person 4. Okay? These were my classmates. I miss them so much. They are still there, always there. Okay? And of course, you're going to write the members of your classmates in here. Okay? Total 4. So, sir, imuha man eh. Say, for example, this is me evaluating my classmates. Then, ikaw, Rajoy, makakitaan eh. However, imo maning ihatag sa imuhang group leader. So, for example, si Jaramel, inyong group leader, fortunately, unfortunately, makabalog yun si Jaramel sa iyahang score. But we give our trust to our group leaders, and I hope group leaders dili pud na to abusaran ng trabaho na. Kay ang ako pong impression is that kasagara ang group leader, maura pud sila yung magtrabaho. So we give them also that power to decide on this matter. Okay? Perfect score would be 20 for each member. Ang buhaton sa group leader would be to summarize everything. Okay? At itotal tanan divided by the group members. Say for example, Jeramel got 4 in all the members divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, including me. And that will be the total score for Jeramel on 1. Say for example, Jeramel got 20, obviously, divided by 20, 20, 20 plus 20, that's mine, 40 divided by 4, then Jeramel, and this example, got 20, a perfect score for this one. Now, what is the self-reflection? Inyuhan na ni siya, no? Basin na amoy ika-istorya. How effectively did your group work or basin kasalig lang mo, no? Gatinabangay baka mo. Okay? Musturya gid mo aning area para makabalo po kung mabasahan ako. Sir, si Kuan bitaw kay sige ra ginani, no? So I would know unsay performance sa inyong kauban. How effectively did your group work? Okay. By the way, for the paper, I would need you to have it signed. Na one half crosswise is signed. Na obviously, kamugit. And I will ask Ma'am Toledo, you have to give all the paper and documentation to Ma'am Toledo, and I will have to give it. I will have to take it. Na? I need to see the paper personally. Okay. Number two, were the behaviors of any of your team members particularly valuable na gamit? Okay? Or detrimental, walay gamit. Okay? Explain mo. Na? Okay. Kung ganahan ka mo explain. Muna na nga part na na may paabot na ko, maaabot kini sa ko because I will have to collect your paper. And this one is your self-reflection. Describe your own personal group collaborative creative project experience. What did you learn about working collaboratively with a group on a creative project that you will carry on the next group? Say, for example, you were working really good, yeah? And then you will have to carry that attitude or that characteristics on the next activity. And like I said, we will have this peer evaluation most commonly regularly, yeah? Because your activities, our activities would involve mostly collaboration, group collaboration, especially on your research paper. Okay. We have done annotated bibliography. So I will be getting your peer evaluation on that one. And with biology one, we have done your pond ecosystem under the microscope. So I will get your peer evaluation on that one. So if you have questions regarding peer evaluation and self-reflection, okay, I would be happy to receive your comments and suggestions. Just PM me so I would know. Okay? Sige. I hope that is clear and see you once again. Happy learning, everybody.